Ever since I caught you on that ice, I know you no more.
What's good, y'all? Coming to you guys live from a California hotel room. Today is actually a very special day for me. I moved into my apartment, solo living, finally. You feel me? So I'm gonna give you guys like a little empty apartment tour here soon. I got a couple of hours before I have to move in and get some things over there. Damn near have nothing yet. Gotta start fresh, new life, new city, new everything. You feel me? But I'm gonna give you guys an empty apartment tour here soon. It's gonna be my first time actually seeing this apartment in person. So excited to see how it really looks like. It's gonna be like a studio-ish, 1 bedroom separated. Yeah, I'll show you guys when I get there for real. But come on, stay tuned with me, man. Woo-wee. Man, what's good, everybody? Man, I had to get my ass out of bed real quick. Like I was saying earlier, though, today's a big day. Your boy finally moving into a crib. I finally relocated to the West Coast for a job. So I am here for a job, but starting a whole new career, new everything. Just graduated from my master's, you know what I'm saying? But like, this is big, you know, like I'm new to this. So you guys are gonna be on this little journey with me, you feel me? I've been wanting to get a YouTuber, but never really, like I got a page up, but I never post anything. But I'm like, you know what? I'm in a new city, about to start a new vibe, new adventure, new everything. I might as well just document it, have you guys be on this journey with me and just see what's up. So I'm like, it's a perfect time to start now, for real. You feel me? Coming straight from the East Coast. Now, I did relocate here for work. So I am working here, healthcare field. So later on, you guys are gonna see more. I'm about to get ready to leave here soon, but it's gonna be like a little empty apartment tour. It's gonna be a lot of things that I have to get together. So it's gonna be it's about to be a journey for real. I'm not even gonna lie, it's about to be a journey. But yeah, so stay tuned with me. Let's go and check out this apartment and see how it looks like. What's up, everybody? So I'm not gonna lie, I already came to the crib earlier and like, you know, it was such a busy day. Had to get the keys, had to get a lot of things, had to move some stuff up to the crib. Then I had to go to the store to get some things and I had to like wipe some stuff down. Furthermore, let's do this tour. So when you walk through the door, the first thing you're gonna see on the left side, so here's the door, the first thing you're gonna see right here is the kitchen area. So kitchen is very nice. You got the all white countertops. We love that. You see it. Love it. Look at that. Everything's empty. I'm not even gonna open no drawer because there's literally nothing inside of anything. Obviously I got some paper towel. But you see the kitchen. Suitable for me because it's just me living in here. So nothing too crazy. Kind of tight, but you know, like I said, it will do because it's just me. We love, look at the stove. Feel me? I do be cooking a lot, so this is definitely going to be utilized crazy. I am a chef, if you guys don't know. Love the microwave in here. It was so crazy because when I was like apartment searching for real, there was so many like apartments that didn't even have microwaves, which I think is insane, you know? But here's a little counter over here. You already know I'm going to put like, you know, stools, bar stools right here and stuff. So pretty nice. So here's the kitchen. You walk in, so that's the front door. And then there's this little space right here. Honestly, I'm gonna put probably like a shoe rack thingy over there. Still deciding, but we're gonna see what's going. Now in here you have your washer and dryer, which is a must because I remember just apartment searching again, like most of the units with washer and dryer were so expensive, but I kind of got lucked out with this apartment over here. Now this is like a studio, by the way. So this is like the open area. So like you have your living room and stuff. So probably, you know, TV, couch and stuff like that. And then in this area, I'm thinking I'm probably gonna put like a bar, honestly, like a little bar and things like that. Set up a good little vibe, you know. But the interesting thing is, so like I said, it's kind of like a studio. So obviously like this little side, now I got the boxes for different things. So much moving, right? And there's more boxes on the way. But like I said, it's kind of like a studio area, honestly. So this is like, oh, I was trying to zoom out. But so like the bedroom is like kind of technically on this side over here. So we're gonna put the bed by the window. Now the good thing about this unit, they tell me it's one of the best like studios that they have, honestly. So I'm on the 3rd floor and they said they get a lot of like natural lights flowing through, which is pretty awesome. We know we love that. But this is outside real quick. But we're gonna take more of that once we get to the balcony area. But here it is. So the bedroom will come over here. You know, I'm still deciding obviously how I'm gonna decorate the whole crib, but you know, I'm loving the layout so far. So you walk down here, you got your closet. Now, I have a lot of shoes and a lot of clothes, so I'm probably gonna get like an extra rack, but this closet is like really, it's pretty decent for sure. You know, here, then you got another closet, you know, put some towels and different things in there and stuff. But here you get your sink, obviously nice little mirror, you feel me, we like that. Now I'm so salty because I had a camera, but got finesse, you know, they took me up to it's gone, you feel me? But bathroom, we love it. We definitely gotta get some curtains. We're gonna see how we deck this bathroom out, but pretty solid, pretty clean. Obviously it gotta be clean, right? But yeah, that's nice. So now let's make our way to the balcony. To the balcony out here. Now I did kind of like clean out here a little bit. That's what the broom is right here. But so I'm probably gonna end up putting some like turf out here, honestly, and get a nice little hookah vibe going. You know, maybe set some lights up, but like this is smooth though. I'm not mad. This is like really smooth, very nice. Like I said, a lot of natural lights come into this apartment, that's what I was told. And it's just like, you know, palm. This is just a nice view, you know, not just staring at like parking lots or anything. But so yeah, so this is like a 546 square foot studio apartment. And like I said, I'm really gonna like design it. A lot of you guys, you know me, you know, we like, you know, we artsy, we get a little creative here. So I'm definitely gonna put this whole crib together in due time. You know, like I said, I just moved out here, honestly, haven't even started working yet. So the funds, you know, it's gonna come down, but we're gonna put this together. Like I said, like this is like 546 square footage, you know, for the area and everything. It ain't too bad. It's really not too bad. Washer and dryer, you know, pretty clean, pretty nice. We love the vibe, the natural light coming in, you know, but first time living alone, man, it's gonna be an experience, it's gonna be a ride. I'm already knowing, but I'm not mad at it. First apartment, let's go.